Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers. Guess what? I have Isaiah and Caence and Pei-Ying and Christiana. And guess what, kids? Guess what we're going to make today?
Pizza.
Well, you're close. We're going to make calzones.
Calzone.
Who knows what a calzone is? What?
Calzone is a sauce pizza.
Well, you know what? Miss Cinda made some earlier, and I'm going to show you what a calzone is. Look at this. So later I'll let you guys each eat one, but this is what you're going to do, okay?
Okay.
So really, a calzone is like a pizza in the crust. You fold the crust over.
I know the calzone is fold across and put the sauce in.
That's right, the sauce is inside, isn't it? Okay, let's do our filling first. You guys, first look at the table. Look how pretty it is. Do you know that when you eat, you should color your plate like a rainbow? Did you know that? Did you know that, boys and girls? When you color your plate like the rainbow, that means you eat lots of different colors of foods. See, we've got a pretty brown. We've got, ooh, what color's this?
Orange.
Yellow. What color's this?
Green.
And what color's this?
Red.
Oh, look at all the pretty colors. So that means we're eating healthy when you...
Corns.
Yes, that's right.
And this.
And this is our dough. So you're going to get to roll this out. But first, take all your ingredients and dump them in this bowl. And we're going to mix them up. So you want to put this in the bowl? Put all this in here. Let me help you.
I can do it.
Okay, put all your ingredients in here.
Where's my wall?
Okay, put your corn in, and you can put the broccoli in. And you put the broccoli in. Can you get all that corn out, Christiana?
No.
Sure, use your spoon. Good. Can you get all that corn? Nope, the sauce is going to go on our calzone. Let's get all this in, okay? Who washed their hands before they came in the kitchen? Good job. Did you wash your hands? Yes. We got to wash our hands. Go to the sink right there and wash your hands. Go right there and walk to the sink, and I'll help Christiana. Okay, Christiana. Okay. All right, Pei-Ying, that's good enough. Just dry your hands off. Okay, come here. Come here and I'll get a towel and we'll dry your hands. Oh, let's dry them. Oh, there you go. Okay, pop back up here. There you go. Okay, now you want to Pei-Ying, get your spoon and stir this.
I wash my hands.
Good job. Okay. There, can you stir yours up? Can you help? All right, and I'll move your bowls because
There you go.
I'm going to move all this. Okay, is it all stirred up? Now, you know what? Miss Cinda's going to put this right over here. You can just leave your spoons in it because you're going to spoon them in your calzone, okay?
This is mine.
You know what? That is yours, Pei-Ying. Okay, this is water, so I'm going to move this like here so we don't spill it. Now, I want you to guys take your dough and roll the dough out on your mat, okay? And you want to roll it out into a nice square. Here, you can, Christiana, here, Pei-Ying. No, let's take your, here, kids. Look, take your dough off your plate and put it right here. And you take your dough off your plate, Christiana, and put it right here. Right here, Christiana. There you go. Okay? And now you can roll it out. And roll it out into a square. And roll it. You want to roll it pretty thin, guys. Okay?
Okay.
I'll move your plates. Can you want me to help you, Caence? Let me move everything over. Okay.
I made a square like this.
Oh, good job. Here, how about if I go like this? There you go. Oh, you're doing good, Isaiah. Oh, I think you guys are going to make good chefs. Who likes being in the kitchen?
Me!
Oh, is it fun?
Yes!
Oh! You gotta roll it out a little thinner. See, look how Isaiah's doing. Can you get it thinner? You want me to help you? Can you hold the ends? There you go. And then just roll it. How about if I help you just a little? See how we're pressing down like this? And then you know what, guys? You can turn your mat if you need to. You can turn your mat and then you can pull it this way. See? Pull. There. And then we can push your mat this way. And let's put some of this dough this way. How are you doing, Pei-Ying?
Good.
Good job. How are you doing, Christiana? Do you need help?
I'm making a square.
You want some help, Christiana? You're making a square? Okay, here. I'll help you. You ready? Look, see? See how I'm pressing down on the dough? You gotta put some little muscle in it, Christiana.
Ugh.
Oh, that's right, Pei-Ying. Pei-Ying, do you have any muscles?
Yeah.
Let me see your muscles. Oh, push, roll it good. Let me see your muscles. There you go. Okay, let's turn our mat a little bit, Christiana. Okay, go this way just a little bit more. Ooh, it's almost ready, Christiana. Here, you roll out this side while I help Pei-Ying, okay? Okay, Pei-Ying, let me help you. Let me show you. There you go, see? See how I'm pressing down? See, boys and girls, when you're rolling out, you want to press down a little bit, not a lot, but you want to press down gently, see? See how I'm pressing down gently, but you want to give a little bit of pressure because you're rolling it out thinner. See what we're doing? Okay, see what I'm doing? Press down a little bit harder, Pei-Ying. Let's use those muscles. Oh, there you go.
Like this.
Oh, good. That's good. That's very good.
I'm almost there.
You're almost there. You know what? Miss Cinda needs to get our spoons again.
Miss Cinda, like this.
Let me see. Oh, that's good. You've almost got it.
Miss Cinda, am I done?
Yes. Now, put a little bit of sauce. And put a little bit of sauce on yours. Let me help you get yours a little bit. Can I help you? Just a little bit?
Is that mine?
You both you're gonna share it. Let's make yours a little flatter, okay? Because we're gonna put some filling in, so you wanna make sure it's big enough. Oh, goodness. Oh, Caence, what do you think? Do I have big enough muscles to do this? What do you think?
Miss Cinda,
What?
I'm done.
You gotta make yours a little bit bigger.
Can you help me?
I will help you.
Where's a spoon?
Okay, we'll get you a spoon. There you go. There you go.
Cold.
Is that kind of cold? Yes. Because you know what? Miss Cinda made this dough earlier, and I wanted to keep it so it doesn't rise. And do you know what it means when it rises?
No.
That means there's yeast in the dough, and it gets big. Like, you know how a loaf of bread gets big? And the dough rises, and I didn't want it to rise because we're not going to bake it yet. But now we're going to. So we keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, okay, Christiana, good. And I'll get you guys your fillings. Okay, do you see? Yes, now you can put some sauce on yours. Caence, let me get yours. Oh, I don't know. Do I have big enough muscles, kids? What do you think? Oh, let's roll. Oh, no. There you go. Okay, you want to put some sauce on yours now? There you go. Put some sauce. I'll put this out. Now you need to spread the sauce around. Look what Christiana did. Good job.
Like this.
Now I'm going to give you guys some water because what we're going to do is use the water to seal the edges, okay? And then we'll put it on this cookie sheet. Let me get this down, okay?
There you go.
All right. Christiana, if you want to spoon a little bit. Now, guys, you don't want to spoon a lot of your filling in, okay? You just want a little bit because otherwise you'll get too full. So, Christiana, put a little of your filling in. And Isaiah, you can put a little of your filling in. Oh, doesn't this look yummy? Oh. Okay, now spread it around. Oh, that's good. Let's spread it around. Can you spread it all around? On your dough? Here, I'll help you. Look, like, yes, but look at Miss Cinda's doing, like this.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, now we need to put some filling in yours. Oh, that's a lot of sauce, Pei-Ying. How about if Miss Cinda takes some of this sauce off? Because that's, there you go. How about if I just spread it around like that, okay? You like sauce? I can tell. Okay, well, we're not going to do the water yet. Let's put a little bit of vegetables on. Okay, now watch that. Oh, that's a lot, Isaiah, but you might be able to do it. Okay, let's put some. You want to put the vegetables on one end. See, because we're gonna fold the dough over.
Could I?
You may. There you go. Okay, put it on one end because we're gonna fold it over. Good job. What kind of vegetables do you think is in here? Can you guys tell me? Very good. What else is in there?
Beans. Beans.
And black beans? And what else?
I know. Corn. Yeah.
Ooh!
Missing that's a kitchen timer.
I know, and that means we're almost out of time. So we need to fold so now what you guys do, fold your dough over on this side, and then we'll press it shut around the edges, okay?
Is that too much?
Oh, no, you can do a lot more. Here. There you go. I spilled one. You want to put that in there?
No,
and put that piece of broccoli in? Okay, you're going to take this side and put it over to this side.
Can you help me?
Yes, but first, look, boys and girls, look what Miss Cinda's doing. Look. And now, can you press down like this? And oh, that's okay. And then if your dough won't seal, then you can use the water. You can just take a little water like this and go like this on your dough. Who wants to taste one? You want to taste it? Oh, because we want to make sure you get to taste it, huh?
Can you help me, Missy?
I would be happy to help you. You want to taste one first?
Yeah.
Would you like to taste one first? How about you two? Would you like to taste one?
Yes.
And then I'll help you fold it over after we taste it, okay? What do you think?
I can eat all of this.
No? But you know what? You can save some for later, huh?
No.
Is it yummy?
I'm going to get one for my mommy.
Oh, I bet she would like that. So I'll help you fold yours over. Look. Isaiah, do you like it? Is it good?
That's a kitchen timer.
That's all the time we have for now. Who had fun in the kitchen?
Me.
Boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.